It's just every day, for each moment, 1 minute, you have really result help you for your organ. Okay? 6 things: kidney, heart, lung, stomach, gallbladder, and spleen. Very simple. This is the Dawes Meridian line. Okay? You do this everything every day, each organ, spend 1 minute. That's it. Then you see the result. Keep going. Couple of months, you nothing knows, and you will see the result. Okay? First one, kidney, like your heel lift up. That's it. You just go like that. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. This movement is supporting your kidney, make your kidney function better. Number 2, for the heart. For the heart. Heart, here. You see this line here? Touch it here. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. This meridian line linked to the heart. Is make your heart function working more regularly, more better. You see, it's just like that. You see, just like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 30 seconds. Okay? Then maybe do this one after have the black dots here. It's fine. Okay? You don't too much worry. Then here, this one. 3 minutes, 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can dance it like that. Okay? 30 seconds. This for heart. Then for lung. Lung is this area. When you put it here, you see the joint point here? Okay? You just put a hand, touch this area. Okay? 30 seconds. This for lung function. Like that. 3, 4. 30 seconds. Now this one, 30 seconds. Okay, 30 seconds. Stomach. Stomach need a navel area. Put a hand here, rubber. 1 minute. Good for stomach. Make an instant, just like this move. You don't have the organ move, and it will help you, your intestine move automatically. Okay? Intestine very sensitive, and very smart. You just do that 1 minute. That's it. Gallbladder. This one, gallbladder link and the meridian line. It's just here like that. 1 minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1 minute. For spring. Spring meridian line is very good for people if you sit office too much, and any people. This program for any woman, man, all good. For the people, prostate, woman uterus, this area, put this one in the gold aside. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 minute. If you keep every day, just each area 1 minute. If you keep that word, you really see how your health change. Especially for people, physic not very well. Only can sit the chair a lot. However, this type of condition, people is way better help you. Okay? Thank you.